get ready with me to go get my beaten.
Progressive.
I'm trying to go to this battle, honey. Don't tell nobody. So, first off, we're gonna just focus on this sunset look though. I gotta prime my lids. I wanna do a sunset eye. You know, I got the orange nails, the orange shirt. ColourPop. This is 32. Number 32, not 28, but I have a tan now, so it's whatever. You know, just gonna use this concealer to prime my eyelids. Oh, and y'all, I got my lashes done. We'll talk about that story soon. Actually, let me use this first, a setting spray. First one that I found, my old Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm gonna put that all over my face, especially my eyelids. Because I'm doing a look today. And since I'm almost sweating and stuff, I'm not trying to crease too much on my eyelids. We're gonna see what happens. I'm actually gonna put primer on my eyelids too, besides the ColourPop, just a little bit of powder. So y'all hear the music? I'm trying to go to this. Okay, so let me tell y'all some tea. So my mom, my evangelist mother, she hates the fact that there's like a party outside. And about these lash extensions, y'all see these lashes? If I can tell, like this little portion, there was supposed to be another portion here. I guess it fell. It fell off. And I've only had these extensions for 2 days and I already have a piece that fell off. But whatever, I guess. That was also my first Groupon experience. I actually got my lashes done because of Groupon. It was my first time using a Groupon and the experience was not good at that particular lash studio. Because once I came in, there was like a lady who pretty much welcomed me. She was like an older Asian lady. She wasn't that old, but the owner was younger. Someone else was there, but she was younger than her. She seemed younger than her. So yeah, and she didn't speak English. The lady who welcomed me in, she didn't really speak much English, but she welcomed me in anyway. And when I showed her my coupon, my Groupon coupon, she was looking at the, you know, my order receipt via my email, and then she called, I guess the owner, I guess she's the owner or something, I don't know, or maybe the manager or whatever of the studio to come by. And she came by to look at my receipt. She didn't say hi, how you doing, and nothing. She was like, give me your voucher. I was like, what voucher? I was so confused. I was like, what voucher? Because I thought what was in my email was the voucher. She said voucher number, actually, not voucher, voucher number. Because what I thought was in the email, I thought that was the voucher. Like in the email, it told me like my order number. Like I didn't know what she was talking about. And then we kind of got into a little argument. I mean, child, not really. It was like a 2-second argument. I was just like, what voucher? And then she was like, voucher number. Then I asked her, where can I find it? She said, I don't know. I was pissed off. I'm never going there again. But, so I got these lashes done. Because I have bigger eyes. I originally requested to get mink lashes. Okay, I said I was going to get. So this is a sample of Laura Mercier setting powder. I originally was just going to get mink lashes. And they're about, what, 40 extra pairs here. And that was the original plan. And after she saw my voucher, she was like, after like 10 minutes I found it. I had to, whatchamacallit, download the Groupon app to get the voucher number. Usually I do not set my eyes with any kind of powder. This is only a tiny bit of powder also, mind you. I usually don't set my eyes with powder because honestly, your eyes can makeup look a little more pigmented without powder, just like whatchamacallit, just concealer. But since it's hot, I don't know, I want to sweat this eye product out, so I want like extra protection just in case. Okay, so I had to download the Groupon app. I was looking through the email again. I clicked on the link that was in the email to like try to look for the voucher number. I couldn't find it, so I was like, let me just go open it in the app. And I had to get the app for me to find the voucher number, and I finally found it. She was like, I'm not gonna do anything for you if you don't give me the voucher number. And I was just saying, well, I already paid for my service. And she was like, well, but you paid Groupon, you didn't pay me. I didn't get paid yet, so she needed the voucher number to get paid. That's what the whole fuss was about so she could get paid. And it's like, but I already paid. What am I supposed to do about that? Like, I did my part. The fuck. Where is it? Ginger. Right here. So just gonna put that as a transition color. I'm gonna spread it. I'm gonna spread it halfway across my eyelid. Because I honestly want an orange, like, in the inner part. I want to do a sunset eye. That was the plan. I forgot my Morphe palette. What the heck? But yeah, so ooh, my whole background fell, y'all. This is a pretty color. So yeah, so I got my lashes done. Oh, like I was saying, I originally paid for mink. They're like 40 extra pairs here. Not pairs, pieces. But when she got her voucher number, she told me straight up, like, okay, I should get like get more lashes. She suggested, but then I was like, and she was like, oh, it's $20 more to get more lashes. She was like, you should get more lashes because mink is like, she never really told me exactly why until after the minks were done, and I was like, maybe I should get more. Because my eyes are pretty big, so that was the main reason why, because my eyes are pretty big. So I ended up getting cashmere, which I believe are 120 extra pieces together, so 60 pieces here, 60 pieces here. So those are the pieces. That's what I have. That's the style that I have right now. I have the cashmere one. She was saying how, oh, mink, like before I even did anything, before I started the process, she said, oh, mink lashes are, they're made out of plastic. We don't really do those here. She at first said we don't really do mink here, but then I'm like, but it's on the website. Like, what are they talking? It was on the website. What do you mean you don't really do them like that? Like, ugh. This Morphe orange, put it right here. Ooh. They blend right into each other. Oh wow, ain't that pretty? So I did the mink and then I was like, oh shoot. And it looked like there was much right there, so she was right. So I ended up getting more pieces. So yeah, I got more pieces. Now I got my lashes done. Although one piece did fall off, but I brushed them so, because before it was a big gap like that, but I kind of brushed them so the gap doesn't look that big. Yo, did the music get louder? So I'm gonna go back to the Jackie Aina palette. Also, I'm actually allergic to the Jackie Aina palette, it seems like. Like, I would put some of these pressed pigments into my inner corner, and the next day, I would see, there would be so much crust in my eyes, like I can't see. So, it would just produce a lot of crust in my eyes. And you know, the purpose of crust is so your eyes don't get infected. Honestly, when you wake up in the morning, that crust is there so you can't like catch any infections. But child, I was gonna get an infection obviously because I accumulated so much freaking crust. So I'm gonna use like a little bit of this color to the last bit of this shadow look. Y'all see me sweating, y'all? I'm trying to be consistent with this YouTube thing, but it's hard. Like, ain't no central air in this building, y'all. Like, this is a struggle. Ain't no air conditioning everywhere. Like, I'm definitely doing a cut crease, okay? I haven't done a cut crease in a hot minute. So that was my Groupon experience, my first Groupon experience. My first experience at that Lash studio. Never going there again. She was not nice. She was not that nice. That's not how you welcome somebody. That's not hospitable. Like, that's how you treat people when they're using a group, when they're using like a coupon. Like, that's horrible. Is it because of the sweat or what? Because I don't even see that color anymore. I see it here. No, I see it here. I mean, I see it here, but I don't really see it here. What is going on? Like, is it really the sweat? For real? I don't see it on this eye. I'm like, why? And I like, this color is really good for a sunset eye because it looks like a purplish brown. Oh shoot, yeah, this is wet. With this angled brush, I love cutting my crease with an angled brush. Okay, so I'd rather use a flat brush, but I kind of want to use this brush to put that color in, whatever color, because it's small enough. It's really small and it's kind of flat. So I'm just gonna tap it in. Honestly, I would have done white, but this is like pretty much the same color as the concealer for the most part. This is like a nice sandy color. It ain't a Haitian party without this song, to be honest. To be honest. I think I'm gonna put red at the end. Like that brick color. This song was definitely on my playlist video. No! This background keeps falling. My inspiration, motivation. Give you the best of me. I should honestly put, I would put like color, like shadow on my lower lash line, but I'm afraid it's gonna mess up because I'm sweating. Like blend that out. And yeah, this is the color that we used already. That was like in here, but it's whatever. It's like close to my skin color. It's like a good transition color. So I'm like, whatever. Let me just blend that. I see some concealer on my lashes. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Wow, I love it. It's like a nice fiery. Let's put on some liner, girl. These are eyeliners. The liners don't look the same. Let me come back because I like the way this looks. It's not as close as the other one at all. It's not close. Okay, y'all, I'll be back with the finished look. Hi y'all, so this is the final look. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope that you enjoyed this sunset look. Hope that you enjoyed this get lit with me and get ready with me and my chit chat and my little story time about my lashes. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Deuces. I should be a savage. Who would have thought it turned me to a savage? Find my own tricks, I don't know. Jake Dog.